Good morning. This is Tim here again. I am down this morning on a slightly cloudy day, but it's still warm and a little bit of sun around, quite breezy actually. And I'm down at a project called Moda Harmony. And this is actually the show villa for their new project that they're building as well. But this house has been used, as I say, as a show house, but it's also identical to the ones that they can build at the new project as well. So this particular one is 4 bedrooms, it's 3 bathrooms, and it's on a plot size of about 800 square meters and living space of around about 200 square meters. It's located just off Soy 112, so probably about 10 minutes to town or so. A beautiful area and some fantastic views. So this is actually a resale, so the owner of this one is actually selling this one. It's a couple of years old, but it's in beautiful condition and really nice. So as you can see, as we come in here, you've got a carport here for one car. It's got a sort of like a sailcloth covering here as well. And let's go and have a look inside the house first, and then I'll take you around the outside. So at the moment, this particular property is on the market for about 30, around 13.4 million. Um, as we enter, you've got this lovely double doors. What I love about these properties here, there's a slightly different design to many others, is you have this nice entranceway, the front door, as opposed to entering in through the sitting room doors, which a lot of other properties do. So some that have that other aspect as well. So this particular one, as you enter in here, you can see it's got a lovely expanse, high ceilings, and also the design of this one. So it's not quite a pitched roof. It's what you might call, it's not a flat roof, but it's not a pitched roof. So it's a sort of semi-pitched roof, but it's got a really expansive, really lovely feel to it. And you've got a really big living space. You've got glass doors down the end there. So if you open up those doors and the other doors over on the side there, you get this lovely view through. What I really like about this one is particularly it has a nice flow to it. So as you walk in, you're immediately greeted with this nice expansive living area, which is very well laid out, and opens out onto the swimming pool area as well. So all the appliances and everything included, as they are as well in the new buildings that they make, the new houses they make as well. So what I'm going to do, once we've just had a look through here, let's pop over firstly into the master suite, which is off here to the right. And you'll immediately notice this is also a very large room here, lots of space. Got plenty of wardrobe space here on the left there, which is also very good. And also the big windows there going out there. Nice dressing table as well. And you've got those lovely views out onto the garden there. Coming through into the bathroom here, the master bathroom, as you would expect, you've got the double sink unit, nice big walk-in shower there, and also a bathtub as well. And also what I really like is the big windows here which open out, so you've got plenty of natural light in the bathroom as well. They're very spacious, really nice feel to it. Like the floor tiles as well, they're not shiny, non-slip tiles here as well. And then following on from here, we've got a common bathroom, or the sort of guest bathroom that doubles up as the bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms down here. As I said, this is a 4-bedder. This one's also actually got 2 sink units in here, and again a nice big well proportioned walk-in shower there with the glass screens as well. So we've seen the master bedroom. This I would probably call the 3rd bedroom. So this 3rd bedroom here, again, really good size. Got the built-in wardrobes, sliding door going out there as well, so plenty of light. And then through here, now this owner here, he's basically used the 4th bedroom, which is a little bit smaller. Didn't turn the lights on here. Let's put the lights on here. So this actually, okay, so it's got a lot of storage at the moment because obviously, as I said, this is being used as the show house at the moment. But the owner here has set this up with a gym. So this can either be a fourth bedroom or, as he's done it, he's set it up as a nice fitness room as well. Then coming back through here into this large living room here, off to the left is the utility room, which I'll show you shortly. But the bedroom number 2 is over here, which is again an ensuite. And this is also really good size. You've got the built-in wardrobes here as well, being used a bit as an office at the moment for as it's the show house. And you've got a nice patio outside as well. So it looks like we might have a bit of rain later, a few clouds building up there, which is nice. But as you can see on the outside there, really mature garden. And this is only 2 years old, so the garden's grown really nice. You've got a couple of water tanks out there we work in Thailand, obviously, there is water pressure and mains water pressure, but the pressure isn't consistent. So every house will have a water tank for the house, and then you have an electric pump that comes on as and when needed. So as soon as you turn the taps on, it's always pressurized. Now this is the ensuite bathroom for this room, single sink unit here, but again, equally large shower unit as well with the glass screens as well. Coming out here just on the right here, that's just an electrical cabinet there. And then if we come through here, got nice big kitchen island here. All the appliances, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, lovely big double sink unit, etc. as well. And then through here we have the utility room, which has got the solar power in here as well. And you've got an access door outside to go and hang laundry and things like that as well. So let's go and have a look outside. Outside, you've got a lovely big patio out here. You're immediately greeted with these really nice views from here. So it's very unlikely anybody's going to build on the other side there. So these views should be pretty much permanent. But you've got a really nice sitting area out here. Fans, multiple fans. So he's got 3 fans here on the ceiling here. And then you've got the swimming pool, which I really like. There's a walk-in swimming pool there. It's about 12 meters. And you've got a sun deck over there across the other side of the pool, as well as a sun deck there. That archway thing you can see over there is an outdoor shower. And then you've got a nice outside dining area here as well, and plenty of space for barbecue. And also got a ping pong table here as well. So there's plenty of space for ping pong table and outside access there. So let's just have a quick look round at the garden area here. As I said, a really nice garden area. And I'll give you an aspect of the house from the garden area here. So as you can see, as I mentioned, the way they built these houses is it's not a pitched roof, but it's a sort of semi-flat roof here. So it's in sort of like 2 sections. You've got the section on the right, and then it's joined up with a bit of a flat roof there in the middle, and then the other section of the house there as well. So all in all, this is a beautiful, beautiful house. You've got a neighbour there, but it's quite private. There's not a lot of noise, just a little bit of gardening noise at the moment, but very mature garden and plenty of space around the side. So I said this is on a 800 square meter plot. That over there, that little building there is the pump house, where the swimming pool pump house is and things like that. So yeah, so this house on the market at the moment for about 13.4 million. There is some possible negotiation on that as well. As I said, it's a resale house, but it's in great condition. Still feels like a new house, and it's more or less ready to move in if you wanted to move in pretty close. But you've got, again here, just looking there, you've got those lovely mountain views over in the distance there. So it's a really sort of uninterrupted views here. So if you're interested in having a viewing of this place, please get in touch. Send me a WhatsApp or an email. I can give you all the details of the land ownership of this one, and how you can purchase through the various legal methods. There are plenty of different routes. If you're obviously a foreign couple, slightly different to if you've got a Thai partner, but I can talk you through all the various details. I always recommend dealing with a reputable Thai lawyer here who knows all the ins and outs and how you can legally do it. There've been some recent issues with people who haven't done it correctly, but if it's done correctly, then there's no issues at all. So yeah, give me a buzz on WhatsApp or send me an email, and I can either show you this one or there's some other ones as well, similar price ranges or up and down in terms of what your budget is. But highly recommend having a look at this one, give you an idea of what's available. But it does have been very popular. The other projects have sold out very quickly, simply because it's got a very good price point, and also the houses are nice quality, and also things like just those sort of things like there at the top. You can see there's plenty of light coming in here. There's those high windows and things like that. Okay, so I look forward to hearing from you. And if you've obviously got any questions or anything, please let me know, and I'll try and answer those for you.